is Wheels and Deals. Today we're gonna be changing out my radio. This is a clean ass radio though too. I'm gonna put this in the Monte Carlo. I bought a new radio. It got the app radio 4. Nice and smooth. It looks nice in there. So yeah, we're gonna change this out. Need an upgrade. This one is clean though. We got all the little options, just like all the other ones. Hook up the iPhone and then it has all the setup. This is what's going in my Camaro, so I'm gonna upgrade. I needed the 7 inches. You know, here you go. You see it? Yeah, that looks way better. This one got DVD player, everything. They got a HD radio. They got, hey, for you Android lovers, they got Android Auto. You know, I got an iPhone, so I like that Apple CarPlay, Pandora, Spotify. Yep, we're gonna get into it. And you gotta pop that out. Put it all the way down into manual mode.
I did re-screw this in. I did put the screws back in it, so.
Screws back there.
Yeah.
But yeah. Let's see what this the old radio. We're gonna put this new one up in there. Like that. Yeah. I don't know, the old one looked clean as fuck though. This one. It's bigger, it's a wider screen. They got the same little setups, probably more. Plus it plays DVDs and it leans back, kick back and all that. But this one just, it got that little iPod look, iPad. I don't know. If not, I'm still keeping the old one, so I could just have him put the old one back in. Now we got some new radio in there. Pretty good though. What you think, Johnny? You think it looks better? Or?
I mean, it's, well, I mean.
The other one looked more slicker, but this one.
The other one ran HD through a HD hub, which is right here. This is XM and HD hub on that. And then this one runs HD through the antenna, but does not have an XM hub. I mean, it looks better. I like this radio better than that one. This one is smarter.
Yeah,
I can tell you that. Same plug. Didn't have to reinstall the wiring.
Oh, hell yeah, just plug and play.
Plug and play, that's right.
So yeah, we got the radio in there. Yeah, we get that thing in there.
Your car is not being cooperative.
And this is going into the Monte Carlo SS. Yeah, that. Faster. Well, that thing is a lot faster than the other radio. That's pretty fast. Hell yeah. Here we got this radio in. Change the sides. I got a DVD player. Putting my old one into this Monte Carlo. I'm not selling it like I always do. Oh shit. I'm still trying to figure it out. That's tight. So we're gonna take this radio. I'm gonna show y'all what radio's in there now. In the MC. This is a regular little radio. Ain't nothing special, just a JVC. Ain't nothing special, just a little JVC. Put that double din in there, it's gonna make it look way better. Eventually, when I paint the car, I'm gonna paint all this like I always like to on my Monte Carlos. Oh yeah, it needs to be painted. It needs to be painted. Gonna make it look right. We're gonna make it match. Look at it though. Wish it was supercharged. Or I really wish it had that V8 up in there, boy. 5.3 swap, James. James, we can swap it.
Nope.
We can swap it. He just don't want to do the work.
Nope.
His lazy ass just don't want to do the work. Oh yeah, this is a little bucket I've been driving around. Oh. I'm a car guy and I sell cars. Sometimes I want them to work on cars to make money, and sometimes I need my cars fixed on. I mean, it's just that's how it goes sometimes. Got the radio working. Yeah. Man, it got dark on us. Well, here goes we got it in there though. That looks way better. That looks way better. Got everything all set up. It's freezing outside. I'm on demo mode right now. But it looks good in this car. Not that it didn't look good in the Camaro, but this made the Monte Carlo look way better inside. So yeah, I'm gonna fix all these. May get another one of this. But yeah, it looks good. So got everything all set up. See, got smoke on the back. Can't forget the mic to talk. So make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wheels and Deals, and I'm out.